Let x be a discrete random variable taking values in the set of positive natural numbers. We are asked to find the value of little x such that the probability of x equal to k is cosine of 2x to the power k.
Actually, x is a discrete random variable taking values in the set of positive natural numbers. We know that the sum of all probabilities should add up to 1. Consequently, the sum for k going from 1 to infinity of cosine of 2x to the power k should be equal to 1. The summation of the probability of x equals k, for k going from 1 to infinity should be equal to the summation of cosine of 2x to the power k for k going from 1 to infinity. This implies that, we factor cosine of 2x out and we see that the sum of probabilities is equal to cosine of 2x times, the summation of cosine of 2x to the power k, minus 1, for k going from 1 to infinity. We rearrange the indexes. And see that, the sum of all probabilities is now equal to cosine of 2x times, the summation of cosine of 2x to the power k for k going from 0 to infinity. This is in fact a geometric series with ratio equal to cosine of 2x. As a result, the sum of all probabilities is then equal to the fraction cosine of 2x over the quantity 1 minus cosine of 2x. Consequently, we should solve the equation cosine of 2x equal to 1 minus cosine of 2x. This equation is equivalent to the equation cosine of 2x equals 1/2. The final solution is x equal to pi over 6.
Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus videos covering limits, derivatives, series, integration, and many other calculus-related topics such as probability and differential equations.